election, or now your criteria as if you're voting for president, do you place it in the ballot?
Yeah. Yes. We did well. And I think this is attentive as we take you through the
interest of running for the cabinet position. All of them. You already know the functions of the IEBC, and you say of Kenya, which under the Constitution of Kenya.
The most shocking thing that we've learned today is the myth about stealing elections. One of them was very curious to know what happens if the president steals elections, and we've demystified that by teaching them, by educating them how it is not possible to steal elections, not only in the school but also in Kenya.
Na nĩ atia gũikia kura ikagio tondu nĩ tukoragwo rimwe na maundu ma kura gakora nĩ thũkire rĩu twitaga spoiled vote kana stray vote gũkora mũringi mũikia kura nĩ araikia kura gĩthandũkũ kĩrĩa gĩtagĩrĩire kĩoguo mũthĩ nĩ kwĩna gĩthomo kĩu na nĩ kuga atĩ ciana ici nĩ igũthoma wega na twakinya mande nĩ marĩhota gũikia kura wega.
I've learned that in balloting I didn't know that the candidates are supposed to have their agents with them, and I didn't know that they can go inside the room where people vote. I used to think that they're not supposed to even be there.
And we have been told on how to vote.